I'm getting our brunch ready because we're having a later dinner tonight. Gonna make a nice brunch with some eggs and those yummy meatballs I'm gonna prep right now. This ground beef here I'm gonna put in the bowl. So just adding salt and pepper, eggs, some onion powder, chopped garlic, some paprika, some coriander, ground cumin, and a little bit of cinnamon. All gonna go in there. All the egg and spices mixed in, some cinnamon, some cumin, paprika, salt and pepper, and some fresh thyme, and a little bit of cinnamon. And I'm gonna fry them up for about 8 minutes. I mixed the beef with all those delicious spices, and they're gonna cook on the stove here for about 8 minutes on a medium to high heat. I'm all frying up here for about 8 minutes on a medium high heat, and it takes about just 8 minutes, so pretty quick and easy meal to make. And I'm prepping some of this. Those look all done and they smell amazing. So good. Yummy meatballs here, some eggs and some steak breakfast, and also my chicken liver pate. Yummy.